Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know so this is the skill. So me I say, we have something to talk about. So me I say, a leader of Jamaica, you know, Edward Seaga, which is now admitted in hospital in Florida during the time when he was traveling. You see me I say, in the United States. You see me, Edward Seaga, a former Prime Minister of Jamaica from 1980 to 1989, a former leader of Jamaica Labour Party for 31 years, and has been in the Member of Parliament for 43 years, and is considered a legacy to Jamaica. You see me I say, despite that, you know, say he's not born in Jamaica. You see me I say, Edward Seaga, which is born in 1930, the 28th of May in Boston, Massachusetts. You see me I say, United States of America. You see, his wife has given a report that he's in stable condition, and you know, that means she's saying that he will pull through. Edward Seaga is the last surviving member of one of the members that formed the constitutions of Jamaica. You see me? So that means he has been in the parliament during, you know, the whole independence thing and so forth. So he's one of the member of parliament, the last surviving member of parliament that formed the constitution. You know what I mean? I'm going to understand. I'm going to say enough people understand. Because I realize a lot of people don't follow politics like that. You know what I say? But anyways, I don't know, so I'm going to keep on posted and I'm going to know what go on. A great leader, Edward Seaga, you know what I say, for the Jamaica Labour Party, is in hospital, Miami, Florida right about now, in stable condition, confirmed by his wife. And as always, I don't know, I'm going to keep on posted. So if you're new to my channel and need to know what go on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica, the dancehall skill, you have to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think, and follow the comment for updates as well. As I say, my name is Skilla, and this way just see the dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, you see? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.